Hello guys, this is the first time that I'm making a video tutorial, and today what I'm going to show you is how to make this kind of a presentation slide with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint. And I'm also using the latest version of PowerPoint, but that does not mean like you cannot achieve this kind of animation in older version. And also, like, I've only covered 5 topics here. You can add up more if you like, but this is only to show you the basic tricks how to achieve this kind of animation in PowerPoint. So this is how it is going to look like. Here are the 5 topics. Topic 1, the points you are going to present to the audience. Then topic 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will be kind of a long video, so if you want to achieve this kind of animation more easily with the help of new features, so please comment below in my channel and I will be happy to make another video tutorial on how to make this animation with the help of a new morphing features. So that is this one, the morph feature. So without taking more time, let's dive into how to make these slides. So firstly, open the PowerPoint and choose the blank presentation. Here you will see, while opening this file, you will see two default text boxes. So what I do is just go to the layout and prefer a blank slide, which will, you can start from the scratch, and insert the rectangle shape and fill up the area. So when you fill up the area, you will see the total height comes to 1905 centimeter, and since I will be adding 5 topics, so I have to divide by 5. So you need to do just a basic maths calculation. So 19.5 divided by 5 topics gives 3.81 centimeter each for each topic. So sorry, what was that? 3.81 3.81 centimeter, and this is how you will get the rectangle size. Then I prefer different color for different topics. Here I've imported a color palette from the internet, so you can do yourself and you can put any color you like. So these are my 5 colors that I prefer for this presentation slide. So when you fill up that color, you just click that shape, then go to the shape format and you will see the shape fill. So when you don't see your color here, or you want to pick color from another pictures or images, you can just move on to more fill color, then just pick this eyedropper tool and select the color you want and click OK. So this will give the color you like. Then by pressing Alt in PC or Option in Mac, just drag it while clicking the Alt or Option key, then release, and you will get a duplicate copy of the previous image or shape. Then you just go with the same steps with a more fill color, and with the eyedropper tool again select the second color you like, then press OK. Likewise, repeat the steps. Here you don't need to be perfect with the alignment. Later on we will fix these issues. So I'll just fill up with the color again. Then what you can do is select the last shape, or maybe you can select all the shape and give it a no outline color, which will distract in between. Then after doing that, you just click the bottom one and go to align, then align to bottom. Firstly select all the shape, align to center, okay, then go to the first shape, then align to the top. After doing so, you just click all the shape, then align or distribute vertically. So after giving the fill colors, you can just delete, like any samples that you have imported in the slide. Now you can rename each boxes by going to arrange and selecting the selection panel. Here you will see the rectangle. Later on you will get confused if you keep the default name. So what you can do is just click and give it a name. After giving or renaming this shape's name, now you can add the text. So you can just go to insert, then text boxes, click outside, otherwise you will fill the text inside the box itself, so it would be hard to animate later on. Just click outside and you can give any topic name you want to give. Here I will just write it topic 1 and change the font by going to home tab, then choose from the list, and you can even resize the font. Okay, I'll give it as 32. Then you can change the font color to white, then align it in the middle. So yeah, same like duplicating the shape, you can duplicate the text by holding Alt or Option key in Mac. For topic 5, since it is middle of the slide, you can align it perfectly. So align to center, align to middle. So same like shapes, you can even rename the text boxes. So this is the main area which will be displayed and which will be used repeatedly throughout the slide. After this, now what we are going to do is achieve the animation. Now the next step would be to just copy the first shape, Ctrl C and Ctrl V key, then align the shape perfectly. So just go to align to center, then arrange align to top. Now make the shape bigger to fill up all the spaces throughout the slide. So this is how it will look like, and again you can rename the shape, copy. Now what you can do is just put this copy behind the text one, so that we want to see this topic one above the shape. After that, you can animate the shape. Just go to animation tab and click on to animation pan, where you will see this animation to control your animation later on. So after doing so, just click on this shape and go to the animation, click on the wipe animation, and you have to put it from top so that it looks like this one. And here you can manipulate the timing. By default it is 5 seconds. You can keep always on click, then change this from 5 to 6 seconds and press enter, so that it will be affected and you'll see the checkbox here. Otherwise, if you just put 6 and click another, then it won't be affected. Now this is how it will look like. So topic 1 is easy, but later on when you animate the other topics, it's quite harder than topic 1. After this one, you can just duplicate the slide and you will see this one, and you can just delete the animation for the second slide. Then by going to selection pane, you can just delete all other shapes, because that will just increase the memory if you keep like that. Then here you can add up your bullet points or anything you want to present it. Here I will just put it a text box, point 1, point 2, point 3, and you can always change the text and colors. And you can also animate these bullet points by going to the effect option, then just give it a simple animation, and I want to show it by paragraph, not all at once. With the first one, with first point, you can click it with previous, and this one on click. So this is how it looks like. Because if you keep this point 1 also on click, then there will be some delay after clicking the previous slide. So that is why I've used with previous. So because what I meant is, right after the slide the shape gets animated, when you click, then you just directly goes to point 1. Otherwise, without if you don't put it as with previous, then it will give you some delay on clicking these points. Now moving on to the second one, you just duplicate the first slide, then drag it down, and here you can just delete this animation. Go to second slide selection pane, then hide for a while this shape. This is the topic 1. Now you have to add another shape for the topic 2. So what you can do is just Ctrl C, Ctrl B to paste, and same like previous, you can just align this in the center, then fill up the area. So this will be a red to copy. Now what you can do is keep it below the text to copy, because this rectangle, this will be disappear. So you have to add the animation, disappearing animation, so that will be click this shape, then disappear by wipe. Now it goes to from bottom, it goes from bottom. That time it came from top to enter it. Now it is existing, so just put it from bottom. I'll just preview it. So yeah, and now what you can do is just click on to the second shape, that is for the topic 2 shape, then go to, this time you can put it split rather than wipe because it's in between. Split, and by default it's coming from the sideways, but we don't want that effect. So what you can do is you can do from horizontal out, so it goes like that, but what you can notice, it comes in from the center, so we don't want that effect. Say like it's come from this one. What you can do is zoom out. Then since this one is the center, we want to make this topic 2 as center, so what you can do is just pull little up, so you will see this check boxes which comes in between this one topic 2, and when you play it you will see now it's the effect comes from this in between rather than coming from the center. So that is one trick. Now what you can do is, since we are seeing the topic 1 on top, you can rearrange the shapes. You can just pull this behind the text box 1, and this rectangle we have to copy the text to box. So Control C, Control B, and we have to put in exact position. Now when you click on, you will see on top. So by hiding this shape you can animate this topic so that it follows along with the animation of the second shape entry. So how you can achieve this is by going to the part animation, then put it on lines. But for the older version you can see the different animation shapes, maybe it's up or down, so you can click on up, and this is the preview it is giving. Here you'll see green circle and red circle. Green is the starting position and the red one the ending position. We just want to change the ending position, so just click on the red one and pull it just above and align with the topic 1. Now go to animation pan. Here you see topic 2, so you want to animate with previous, then 2 seconds is very long, so since we gave earlier 6 seconds, 0.6 seconds, you can even change this one as a 0.6 seconds so that it matches with the other animation. Now by showing this shape again, you can just preview. So this is how it looks. Here you see topic 2 is visible, so we have to do something with this. We have to hide this one and make it visible later on. So how you achieve this is, so this one is the problem that we are seeing it, so we can put just up here by clicking this one and just reorder the animation. So we want to put it on top of the other one, then this one just give it as with previous, and this one will stay the same as with previous. Now when you preview it, you will see that is gone. So yeah, we are done with the topic 2. Now we will be moving on to the next one, that is topic 3. But before that we will just duplicate the slide, and this step is quite easy. So here you can just overwrite it, give it topic 2. Here you can change the background with the topic 2 background color. So shape format, then this is the color. So this is how it will look again. Now duplicating this one, just drag it under, and now instead of moving up you want to reverse it down. Now what you can do is hide this one for a moment. This topic one we want to just copy and paste, and align it perfectly. Now just give as a topic 2, and we want to animate this one. With this we can delete this one, but for time being we will keep in order for us to perfectly align with the next animation. Then same as that time, you can just go to animation, then path animation, line down. So yeah, you can just play with the endpoint, and that is how you do it. Now delete this topic 2, then we have to delete this rectangle one because we don't want to interfere that topic 1 shape with the 2 and 3, topic 2 and 3. So what you can do is just delete that one, and with this topic 2, now to delete this animation for the rectangle shape, you just have to do the exit effect, that is split one. This time instead of horizontal out, now you can do horizontal in. So yeah, you'll see how it comes in between. With this also, like, you put it 0.6 second. Do it with previous, this one with previous, then this one to 0.6 seconds. So this is how it will look. So we are done with the topic 2 as well. Now we have to come up with the topic 3 panel. Let's hide this one at the moment. Now we can duplicate this shape for topic 3. Topic 3 is quite easy because it's just in between the slide, so you don't have to do an extra effort like the topic 2. What you can do is just put it as a split and horizontal out, so this will give an effect, and put it as 6 seconds. Then with this one you need to change, it has to come below the topic 3. So this is how it will look, topic 2, topic 3. But you have to make sure like this 2 topic, that is 1 and 2, has to disappear. So what you can do is bring it at the top, then hide it for a time being. Just duplicate this topic 3 text box, put it in the middle. Now you can make it visible, but what you need to do is you want to make that topic 3 also go at the top, so you can follow the same step, that is animation, path option and lines. Then change endpoint to the top. Lastly, with the slide 5, it's quite different, but it is just opposite to how you did in the topic 1. So you can just delete this shape and hide this shape for a while, then copy this shape and fill it all across the slide. So you can just animate from bottom instead of middle, so you can just use wipe here instead of split animation. So this is how it looks. Then copy that text box 5 and paste it. Then animate this text box with a line. With this, I finished the designing of the tutorial. So yeah, this is how it will look like at the end. So guys, if you like my tutorial and if you want to learn this kind of tricks in the PowerPoint, then please do subscribe and like my channel to motivate me and make more tutorials for you guys. And I hope you like my video. So enjoy guys. Thank you.